Y'all been asking for some merch. Y'all been asking for it, and we got it now. It's been taking me a minute. That's why we haven't been here. I've been in the lab creating something for y'all. This is the ultimate care you need for your mullet. Mullet jizz. Yes, it's still very warm. It took me 4 months to make this bottle, so supplies are limited. Gonna have to be bidded on. This is gonna get your mullet going. It's gonna get your mullet flowing. Well, first of all, we need to talk about some side effects because this is some very powerful shit right here. You gotta be careful if you're in a committed relationship with this. You're gonna have every bee in this county on this side of the Mississippi chasing after you. Do not get this near your ladies. I don't need any more alimony checks.
And guys, don't leave it in the house. This is travel size for a reason. You need to keep it with you. Because if you leave it in the house, you're gonna have to get out of that single wide into double wide for all your kids. And this ain't for the late, this ain't for y'all. This is for dudes trying to grow a mullet. Understand the audience. Do not even think about it. And I know it's warm, and it's probably gonna stay that way.
We've also got these new candles now. Mullet. This is home sweet home. You can smell me in your mom's kitchen still. Let's dig in a little deeper on this mullet home sweet home edition candle. You're probably wondering, what, it just smells like some hair, like a rusty old mullet? No. Let me paint you a picture of how it smells. Just think about your mom's bedroom. Think about me being there. I want you to think about me taking a hot biscuit and slathering up some of that. You smell the moist denim coming out of that room. I'm all of it. And I come out and you see me in my glorious mane with the grease dripping off the back of my luscious curls. And you'll know you smell mullet. Home sweet home, baby. That's what home smells like, me.
Listen, I know there's gonna be some lonely nights. And this is gonna get you there and back. You're gonna be calling into work. Quitting your job type of pleasure. As far as this goes, ladies, if you're trying to make your man jealous, it's gonna smell like, the whole room's gonna stink. It's gonna be like, he bangs you all night, and then you made him bacon and eggs in the morning. And ladies, they're gonna give you the attention you deserve. You really have to like and subscribe, because I'm not gonna just sell this to any schmo. You're gonna have to be vetted. And if this falls into the wrong hands, if this fell into the wrong hands, and ladies, this is supposed to be a lifetime supply, but you're never gonna put it out. You're just gonna light it. It's gonna end up running out, and you're gonna be begging for more. And we'll fulfill your orders, but no needs. Needs ain't shit unless they're orders. Once it's an order, then we'll fulfill it. This springtime, Blake's taking dares. So we need some suggestions. We need in the comments what you want. What y'all want to see Blake do next. And it needs to be something pretty good. And I mean, you can use your imagination. I'll pitch in a little bit towards it behind the camera. Hey Blake, you almost got that other mullet just full? If he's filming this, he's probably looking in your window, ladies. Mullet guys, it's your big opportunity. That's a message worth getting behind right there. We need to make these mullets great again. You guys make them great again. Loud and proud, boys. You could be a mullet master with some practice. You could be a mullet master black belt. Just subscribe and we're gonna get you there. You gotta get that mullet going. You gotta get that mullet flowing. First 3 people to comment on this YouTube video will get a free sticker as long as you're a subscriber. Don't forget, like and subscribe. More mullet content to come. And also, if you aren't the first 3 subscribers and you wanna buy a sticker, it's $5, bust you.